Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys new coupons to print. Now I print my coupons on swagbucks.com because I get a point for every single coupon that I print, and then once you redeem them at certain locations you guys get 25 points for every one you click. It used to be 10, now it's 25. So if you guys are interested in doing Swagbucks, definitely click my referral link below. I do have a video coming up that I did make explaining, how to get paid online. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up that is coming. I did make it. It's just coming. But here they got $1.75 off of Degree Women. They have $1 off of Women, $1.25, $1.50. Might not use any of those coupons, but I'm still going to print them off. $2 off Pop-Tarts is still available. So is the $2 off Kellogg's. Now they had the Night Through Joint Flex. Those look like they're brand new coupons. Here is $1 off of body wash. Now it is for the body wash, the bar soap, or the liquid hand soap refills. So we got that going on. Here we got $1 off Scrub and Bubble. That's old. L'Oreal, $1 off. Those are old ones. I do know there are some new ones. Here we got $1 off of all. Here we got the $1 off the White Oxy. Not the greatest coupon. I'm still just going to print it. We'll print one of them. We got $2 off of Oxy Clean. We got the BOGO Clairol. Sorry you guys can't see this. $2 off CoverGirl. $2 off CoverGirl. 7 off of 2 Chic razors. 3 off of Olia. Here we have another $1 off coupon, which I'm not going to print. 50 cents off of Swab Kids. I know we do have those $1 off coupons, but if you guys really need kids shampoo, go ahead and print it. Here we got $2 off the lip. Now here's a great coupon, $3 or $2 off of any big stationery, but you have to spend $4, so there could be some easy deals with that. $3 off CoverGirl mascara. The Playtex, I think that reset because that was there last week. Otherwise, that might be it. Not a lot of great coupons, but enough to be awesome. Ugh, just woke up, you guys. I know. And then, yeah, this is it. So none of these other coupons printed out. So definitely check those coupons out. And there's nothing that was popped up on Smart Source. So otherwise, I would have showed you guys. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.